Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up Plex on TrueNAS Scale. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into TrueNAS Scale, then select Apps, then Available Applications and select Install under the official Plex package. After you do this, create an application name, then select Next. Using Plex Claim Token will allow you to claim a server without having to log in later. This is easier but not required as you can simply log in after Plex is installed. However, if you'd like to add a Plex Claim Token, navigate to Plex Claim website, then copy the Plex Claim code. Now, enable Use Plex if you want a Plex Pass, leave it unchecked if you don't. Enter your Plex claim code if you retrieve one, then set your time zone and select Next. Now, in the networking section, select Configure Host Network, then select Next. Now, in the storage section, there are two fields that are mandatory, data volume and Plex config. However, if you intend on using transcoding, you should enter a host path for that as well. Select host paths for your data like media and the Plex config, then select Next. Now all the other settings can stay as default, skip the confirm option section and select save. Then this will create the Plex application. It will take a few minutes for Plex to set up and configure, but once it's ready, you should be able to access it by selecting web portal from the install application section. Now you can skip down to the media setup section to finish the server setup and you would have successfully installed Plex on TrueNAS. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.